Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to install apps from unknown sources on Samsung Galaxy A27. Unknown sources apps are apps downloaded from the browser rather than from Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. Those apps can be installed. It requires a few more steps, but let's see how to do it. Remember that before you do it, make sure that the app that you're trying to install, you not only trust the app itself because it may not be verified since it's not officially on the Play Store, but also you need to trust the website you're downloading the app from, because some websites may show you apps that you know and that you aren't scared of, but the website might have modified it in a way that could be harmful to your phone. But if we go to the browser and try to find an app, let's say I'll do I'm thinking about what to download. I'll go to APKPure. I'm not 100% sure all apps here will be safe. But let's try downloading something that just isn't available on Google Play Store. So I'll download an app for connecting with a vacuum that isn't supported anymore, because I know that app isn't available. Once I search for it, I'll find the I'll need to scroll down. I'll find the app, and now I can download the APK file. APK files are the ones that you can install as an app. So let's download that. I'll close the ad and I'll click on download APK. Now I'll click on download anyway, and as you can see, it is now downloaded. I can now install it in two different methods, either opening it with the browser or opening it with the files. And what I recommend is opening it with the files. So let's exit and now go to the My Files app. It's typically in the Samsung folder. Then you'll find downloads. Once you get to downloads, you can see I have the APK file here. And once I click on it, it will tell me that a permission is required. So let's click on settings and then allow the permission to install unknown apps. Now, if you're trying to install it via a browser, it will also work, but it will ask you to install unknown apps to give that permission to the browser, because that is the app that you're using to open the file with. Now, it immediately shows install this app, and I can click on install. But if it doesn't, I can just open the file again once the permission is allowed. Now let's click on install, and as you can see, in my case it blocked it. If it did, then you will need to leave and go to the settings. Then in the settings, find security and privacy. Now, once you scroll down, you'll find auto blocker. You need to disable it, enter your screen lock if you have one, and you can decide whether you want the auto blocker to automatically be turned on again in 30 minutes. You can do it, then you have 30 minutes to install the app, and that's it. Or you can cancel it to disable auto blocker totally, but I would recommend clicking on OK here so it turns on the auto blocker again in 30 minutes. So that's what I'll do. Now I'll go back. I'll go to the My Files. Let's click on APK, install, and as you'll see, it will be now done. I can now open the app, and as you can see, it works. I'll exit it for now. You can see I have it on my screen, and that's how you can do it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.